Hi guys, welcome. It's been a long time since I've made a video, okay? So I'm back at it. I didn't do bets in a few, I think in a month or two. So I'm back at it again. So as you can see here, I'm currently here on a betting site called Hollywood Bets. I want to show you guys how you can make money constantly on this if you just follow my style. As you can see here, we currently have a match between Empoli versus Lazio. Okay, I just have to remind you that the odds here on Hollywood Bet shows difference, but it's the same. Here you see there's a 0, but it's actually 1.85. They don't show you your stake, they only show you the profit, okay? So here this one is not 3.3, it's actually 4.3. I will show you now on the other betting site. Here you got Empoli versus Lazio again. You can see here it's slightly higher here, 3.80 for a draw to occur in 1.88. There in Hollywood, you can see here for Lazio to win is 1.85 and it's 3.25. That's actually 3.25. Okay, keep that in mind. They're not showing your stake, they're only showing the profit. Okay, for a draw there is 3.25 and here for a draw is 3.85. Okay, so if we want to be clever, as we all know, that Lazio. Okay, let me just enter this so that we can also have a look at the standings. Okay. Okay, so here we got. Here you will see the side of the screen. You can see on the right side. Here we got options. We can look. Uh, in Polish form, 13%. Lazio is 53, and you can see Lazio is currently 7th under lock, where Empoli is 19. That means they are second last. And when you look at these matches, these last 5 matches of Empoli, they have lost all their matches. They have got like the last two they have lost, then they have a draw, then they have a loss, then they have a draw. And when you look at Lazio, Lazio has last match was a draw, and you can see then they have 2 wins, a draw, and a loss. So they last four, they haven't lost in the last 4 matches. Okay, so yes, it will be okay. Not safe. You must keep in mind that the draw can happen here. Since Lazio, let me show you the table. Okay, now you can look at the table, and now you will see that Lazio still, I mean, Empoli still have a chance to get out of the relegation zone. You can see here that Les is currently on 27 points out of the relegation zone, and Empoli is on 25. So if Empoli wins this game, which could occur, doesn't matter based on the odds, doesn't matter. But I don't think that they will beat Lazio, since Lazio is the team here who are playing for the UEFA spots, UEFA Champions League spots. You must also keep that in mind. So if Lazio wins this one, they will get 3 points, and that will put them currently on fourth, okay, in the UEFA Champions League spots. Okay, so they will try the very best to win this one. Even if they draw, they will get 1 point, and they will go higher than Roma. Roma still have to play. Okay, keep in mind, guys, there's only 4 matches left. They are playing 38 matches per season. Okay, but my point here is, okay, I want to show you something. You use this 3.80. Okay, let me get to my screen recording. Okay, now keep in mind here I got 3.80 odds, put it in here, and okay, this is from Sporting Bet 3.80, and this is from Hollywood Bets. You can see here this is for Lazio to win at 1.85. So the bet, okay, now I'm currently here on arbitrage betting. They give you options here. Okay, now they are telling you, let's say you got a 50 rand or whatever your currency is. You got a 50 rand, your currency is like my currency is in rands. I'm from South Africa. So if I stick 50 rand, But I won't stake 50 there and 50 here. I will stake 25, 25. Okay, keep in mind. No, I will not stick 25, 25. The arbitrage calculator will tell you what to do. So on this one, you will stake 16 rand. On the draw outcome, you will stake 16.37 bucks. Okay, so you will make profit. If it's a draw, you will make profit of plus 12.21. Either way, there's no, you cannot lose on these two bets. You can only lose if Empoli wins this match. But guys, keep in mind you are only spending like a 50 bucks. Okay, if Empoli wins the match, you lose a 50 bucks. But if Lazio wins the match, you make 12 rand 21 cents profit. And if the games happens to end in a draw, you still win 12 and 21 cents. Okay, so you got two options to make profit. Only one can happen. Okay, only one can happen. So if I going to do my betting, I will stake on Lazio to win, or no, I will stake on both. Like here, let me make an example here. You stake here on, okay, you stake Lazio to win, and then you go to, you must make sure that you have money on both accounts. I currently don't have money, just for the purpose of this video to show you. Okay, and here you will stake on a draw. Okay, so now you will see here, if you open your bet slip, they will give you an option here. So now you will put in the bet amount. Okay, let me just change the bet amount here. Let me just put in the bet amount. Okay, I will show you how much you must take on this one. I mean, your budget, you got a 50 rand, 100 rand basically. So you must have 100 rand on this side and 100 rand on the other side. Okay, I hope I'm making sense. Okay, this one is the draw. You will only stake 16.37. Okay, this is what you will stake. So your potential payout will be 62.21. This will be your potential payout. That means you will make profit. Okay, you will make profit. And then on the other one, that's why I'm telling you, you must make sure that you have at least a 100 rand. Okay, and on the other one, you will stake, what is the total here? 33.63. Okay, and then your payout will be 28.58. Okay, but keep in mind, if this, let me just change this to 100 bucks here. And my calculate and my, yeah, I've changed it to 100. So now if you stake 100, 100, if that happens, okay, if that happens, you will make profit. If that happens, you will make profit, 24 and 42 cents profit. Here is the amount you must take, 32.74. You got 100 rand, okay, and you have 100 rand on Sportybet, 100 rand on Hollywood. On Sportybet you stake 100, on Holly you stake 100 or 50, it depends on you. Okay, you will get 24 rand. If this one wins, you get 24 and 42 cents. If this one wins, you get 24 and 42 cents. Okay, so the only thing that can happen, you can lose at 200 rand if Empoli wins. That is the other problem. Okay, but just think about it. Okay, I know it's not a lot of money. That's why you have more options. Okay, let's say this one is done. Okay, you got that one. There are more matches. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. We all know Real Madrid are currently struggling. Okay, let's get to Real Madrid here. Okay, and we will see where is the better odds based on that. Real Madrid get 1.4 on Sportybet, 5.8 for a draw, and on Hollywood bets they got 1.4 and 4.9. So here I will use the 4.9 since I think it's higher. Yes, this is 4.10. So here I will go for the straight win for no yes this is 5.8 and unholy is 4.9. Wow. Remember the 3 is a 4 actually. 4.9, 5. Let me just make sure. 5.8. So let's go here for the draw. Let me just clear this one. Okay, so let's go to the arbitrage calculator. Let's put in 5.8. 5.8 and let's put in here what is the odd here. Okay, this one is from, and now let's go for 1.4 since I think both are in 1.4, which is nice. 1.40. Okay, if Real Madrid wins you will make 2.74 cents. If they draw you will make 2.78 cents profit. So both way you make profit. Okay, we need this to happen or this. We don't want this. We don't want Celta Vigo to win the match. Do you understand? Okay, so now you can see here there's another one. Brentford 1.84. Let's and 4.10. Here we got Brentford 1.8. Okay, on Sportybet it was 1.84, which is higher, and 4.10. And here we got 3.55. Okay, so let's take this one here. Let's intake into our calculator. On Hollywood bets we take Brentford to win. Okay, let's take Brentford to win. Which is 1.8. Okay, that was, I think that was on Hollywood. Brentford 1.8 and on Sportybet 4.10 for the draw. So here you will make 25 rand profit. Okay, all these games they kick off at. I'm just using these 3 games for example. Okay, this one kicks off at 12:30. This one at 2 o'clock, and this one at 3 o'clock. So in like 90 plus 90 plus 90, like 270 minutes, you can make like how much? I think like 80 rand profit. Okay, you can make 80 rand profit. This is just, but we don't need these teams to win. Okay, so you cover both options here. You only bet on these things. Okay, keep in mind you only bet on this based on the odds, not on this one. You bet on this. You stake 50 here, 50 here. You stake 50 here, 50 here. You stake 50 here, 50 here. You will make profit either way. Okay, you will make profit if it happens. We don't need Empoli to win. If they draw, this one win. Okay, if they win, the both lose. Keep that in mind. If they win, it's a win. If they win, if this is a draw game, this is a win. We don't need us to win. If this win, then this win, or anything happens, but we don't need this one. Okay, and so on. You can keep on doing that, but you must keep in mind, guys, This is arbitrage betting. Your bookings can block you. Okay, this is just an option. Okay, but you must make sure that you use two. You can even use one. You can like let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. I will take this one. 3.80 and 1.88. Okay. 1.88. Okay, that one was 1.88. And the draw was 3.8. 3.8. Okay. These adverts. Okay, sorry for this, guys. Just give me a few minutes. It will go away now. I don't want to request that right now. Come on now. Okay, so now this is on the same booking site, on the same site. Okay. Let's say you got 100 rand there. You stake, you have to find the model. That's why you need an arbitrage calculator. But this one I've downloaded on the Play Store and I see it got ads. Okay, I will try a new one. I will just have to pay for this version. Okay, so here you can see if you stake 66.90 cents on this one, you will make profit of 125. Your payout will be 125.77. Okay, so you stake in here, you will stake 33.10 on this one. Okay, 33.10 on this one, and 66. Either way, you will make 25.77 profit. But that means Lazio must win, or the game can end in a draw. This is what has to happen. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. I hope you understand. It's like you got 100 rand in your wallet. Let me just explain this. This is last, and I will stop the video. Guys, please, if you enjoy this, and please make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. It will mean a lot to me. I will give you a lot of options where and how you can win, guys. Okay, so yeah, just put a 66.90. On this one, you put a 66.90. And Lazio to win 66.90 cents. And in Empoli or Lazio to draw, you put a 33.10. 66.90 plus 33.10 give you 100 bucks. Okay? So that will mean it is profit of 25 rand. If both both cannot happen. If one of this happen, it's a win. But we don't want the third option. We don't need this, guys. This will hurt us, okay? But you know football, you know your options. Sometimes these stronger teams, they tend to lose. But as I was saying, Empoli is trying to survive out of the relegation zone, and Lazio is trying to get into the Champions League spots. So I would rather go for the stronger team since they are chasing something and Empoli is chasing something. But I believe Lazio is the stronger team. Okay? But a draw can happen here. The possibility for a draw here is very big because both teams are chasing something. Both teams want